Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw cartoon monster. Alright, to draw a monster, we're going to do one monster, do a big upside down U like that. And we're going to make a curve around like that. Alright, now we'll do his eyes. They're not going to be the same size. Make a partial circle and then a smaller one and color this one. Then make a smaller circle and an even smaller one. Color it in. Make a circle around this and a smaller one around that. And then an outline around each. His mouth can be a wavy line, and he's got some teeth sticking out. So they're little squares attached to the mouth. And then his tongue can be like the letter Q, but a line. And then for his lips, go in between the teeth and curve around. Follow the shape you made. And there you go. You can decorate him, color him in. Hope you guys like that.